That CTX file stores Citrix connection parameters, the configuration that defines how your virtual desktop or application session connects to the server. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure or troubleshoot these Citrix connection files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic CTX corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. CTX files are Citrix connection configuration files defining parameters for connecting to Citrix virtual desktop and application sessions. They store server addresses, authentication settings, display preferences, and session parameters for Citrix Workspace and legacy Citrix Receiver clients. Citrix CTX files use an INI-style text format with sections for connection parameters including server address, published application name encryption level, color depth audio settings, and client drive mapping configurations. They are processed by the Citrix ICA client engine. The best utility for reliable viewing of CTX is known to be Citrix Workspace by Citrix Systems, Inc. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows exposes the file's contents, yet modifications must be done with care to avoid misconfiguration. Your first step in isolating the problem: right-click the CTX file and select Open With. If Citrix Workspace is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. If the CTX file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, opening the connection. Double-click the CTX file to launch a Citrix session using the Citrix Workspace app. If Citrix Workspace is not installed, download it from citrix.com and install it. The application will read the connection parameters and initiate the virtual desktop or application session. Next, editing connection settings. Open the CTX file in any text editor such as Notepad to view and modify connection parameters. Change the server address, session, resolution, color depth, or audio quality settings as needed. Save the file and double-click to launch with the updated connection configuration. Finally, troubleshooting connection failures. If the connection fails, verify the server address in the CTX file is correct and reachable. Check that your Citrix Workspace app version is compatible with the server. Review the Citrix Workspace log files at %user profile %appdata local and Citrix of ICA client logs for detailed error information. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.